welcome to my channel Just Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily I'll prepare a cake. These days, because of quarantine period, all the shops, bakeries, everything will be closed. So at that time, if any birthdays come or if the children want to eat cakes, then how we will prepare? Generally, a few people will use cookers, pressure cookers, stoves and ovens to prepare cake. But today in my video I am going to show you how quickly, without any flame, that is without any cookers, without any cooking process, or without any oven using, how I prepare a cake very simply. Let us show what I am going to use in my cake. It is very simple, and I would name it as no flame cake because I am not going to use any stove, flame or cooking process, or I am not going to use any oven for preparing cake. So this chocolates, dark choco hearts I am going to use, the gems packets I am going to use, the brownie cake I am going to use, Yummy cakes and Milkmaid. These things are available in normal grocery stores, which are available even in open in even quarantine period. So with these small items, simple items, how I am going to quickly prepare cake and satisfy my children. Let us see. So friends, let us start the process of preparing cake. Now I have unpacked these chocolates like cakes and colorful gems, the heart-shaped chocolates, and one of the cake I have prepared as a powder. I have smashed it and I have prepared as a powder to sprinkle on the cake. So let us start the process. Now I have taken a cardboard like this where the cake will be prepared, kept on. Now the big cakes which I purchased, okay, brownies, that I will arrange it like this. 3 I have kept it like this, right? And then the rest of the small 2 cakes I am going to cut them. So after cutting into small 2 parts, small pieces, I am going to arrange like this. So this how I arranged the small bun cakes like this. 3 in the bottom, big cakes, and small cakes like this. Now take this Milkmaid and just pour on the cake. Cover the Milkmaid with the cake. Now after applying this Milkmaid on the cake, now we need to sprinkle the chocolate, the powder whatever I have smashed and prepared. Chocolate powder. Just lightly sprinkle it. Like this I have sprinkled and I have pressed it so that it will not get on the floor. So like this I have sprinkled. Now what is the next process? Let us think. Now the next idea is, let us pour a little bit of Milkmaid in the center of the cake on the top. Let us pour like this, like a small dot. Yeah, after pouring some Milkmaid in that, in the center of that Milkmaid, let us put this heart-shaped chocolate beautifully. Let us press it and put. Okay, now take the gems and put it, surround that the middle chocolate with colorful gems. Now see how beautifully it is looking. In the same way, in the down layer also we need to arrange in the same way. See how I am arranging. In the middle I am keeping this brown chocolate. Here one, here one. The other side one. So 4 chocolates I am putting like this. So the whole cake, the first layer I am arranging, I am decorating with gems. In the middle I have kept one chocolate and surrounded with gems. So friends, this how I arranged. I'll show you how I arranged the gems, the chocolates, the four sides. I kept it like this in the sleeping mode. Then all the gems in the first layer I arranged like this, and in the middle of the cake I poured some milkmaid, and on that I sticked or I kept this heart shape chocolate, right? Brownie chocolate on in standing position and surrounded with all the gems. And here four gems I kept it in the standing position like this in the corners. So this how my cake looks, and on that again I sprinkled that chocolate powder whatever I have smashed with, and then after that again I poured with spoon the milk made in layer form. You can see this on the top little bit of that milkmaid layers, milkmaid the product liquid I poured, I sprinkled, spread it. So this how my cake looks. Hope you like this, and it's looking very what colorful, and it will be very tasty also. So if you have liked this decoration and no flame cake preparation, please like my channel, like my videos, and subscribe my channel for more such easy to do things videos.